Ooh. Hi, come on over. Come and see what's going on. Come and see. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, buddy. Oh, I would touch you, but I don't want to. I'm Kathy from Kathy's Chuckle Club. It's Fabulous Fun Friday again. Join me this week as we take the field to table tour in Georgina. We visit a variety of farms. Check out where we visit. Yup! Farm tour. Who loves to eat? Here we are at Hutchings Farm on the field to table tour. What kind of sheep are these?
Well, we have two breeds of sheep. One is a North Country Cheviot, so the ones with the white faces are the North Country Cheviots, and the one with the black legs and faces are our Suffolk sheep. They're both meat breeds, but we are able to use the fiber from our North Country Cheviots for yarn, as well as the rovings that we use to felt our soap and our dryer balls.
Oh, the felted soap, yes. This is the place. I read about that online.
Yeah.
So look at this, a skein of wool.
100% pure wool from our North Country Cheviot sheep.
100% no itch here. Yay, youpee! On to the next place.
But we named them after the hockey player.
Here we are at the Ray family farm. You know, it's 200-year-old family farm. That's longevity. Let's do, it's a cattle and lamb farm. Let's do milking activity. Here we go, play along. Yoop. Oh my gosh, stay tuned to find out where we go next on the tour. Moo!
Fight me!
Okay. Food growing, look at yum. Here we are, another stop on the tour, Clearwater Farm. This is an educational property. We actually did a little video about worms for this property. Earthworms are truly amazing. They have no arms, no legs, no eyes, no ears, no nose, but they can move, sense light and dark, feel vibrations, and even taste. They do that by using tiny receptors covering their entire body. They can eat their way through soil, decaying leaves, grass, and other things. Some types of earthworms, like the red wiggler, are excellent recyclers. They eat food scraps and paper and poop out super rich soil. Natural composters. Amazing! They've got a biodigester that heats up the greenhouses, provides fuel for the trucks, and biosolids, aka fertilizer, for the plants. What a sustainable system right on the shores of Lake Simcoe. Youpee! And the mascot for Clearwater Farm is called Potato. It's a chicken that loves potato peels and probably potatoes too. Oh my gosh, I love Potato the chicken. Chuk, 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 chuk. Pecking order. Peck, 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 peck. Yoopie doopie.
Little boy. Okay, you get after that?
Here we are at Clover Hill Flowers. Pick your own. Let's do a flower picking exercise. You ready? Play along. Bend over, pick a flower, take a sniff. Smells good. Flick it over your shoulder. Now let's do it with the other hand. Pluck another flower. Oh, here's a nice lavender. So good. Flick it over your shoulder. The tour continues. Come along.
No, no.
cool. Oh, here we are at Old Homestead Sunflower Farm. This is a drive-through destination. Super fun. Oh, sunflowers, look at these. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, you know that sunflowers follow the sun? So they start in the east, and then they follow the sun. Woo, and then they fall asleep. And then they start again the next day, following the sun. Yup. Following the sun. Yup. And the bees love them. Oh my gosh, the bees love them so much. Oh, what a day. I hope you've enjoyed this field to table farm tour in Georgina. Stay tuned to see where we end up next week. Thanks for tuning in. Keep on growing.